We're seeing a lot of interest by Mongolian companies who want to raise capital offshore, either in Hong Kong or in Australia. We're also seeing lots of opportunities advising international companies who want to invest in Mongolian companies, particularly in the mining and resources sector.
What sort of procedure we need, to expect or more investment from Australia?
There's been a lot of activity in the last couple of years between the Australian and the Mongolian governments to try and increase the exposure of Mongolia as a place for Australian companies to invest in. For example, last year in August in 2009, the Australian government released a paper directed at Australian companies on investing in the minerals sector in Mongolia, and that paper was purely directed to provide Australian companies with the information that they need to look at investment opportunities in Mongolia.
I understand that most of the Australian investors are looking for mining industry in Mongolia. Or do you see any other opportunity other than mining industry in Mongolia?
I think there's lots of opportunities. There are opportunities in related industries. So one of the areas that Australia has a lot of experience in is in infrastructure development, and a lot of Australian companies are involved in infrastructure development throughout the world. Secondly, there's a lot of opportunities in the education sector. Australia provides, for example, a lot of scholarships for Mongolians to be educated in Australia. So I think there's opportunity for Australian businesses to invest and develop the education system in Mongolia, particularly around those areas which would be beneficial to develop the mining industry, like geology and engineering.